Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna work on the display today. I took all the blades down so I can work on them much better. Here's all the fan blades. These are the screws to these blades. These are for these blades. This is for these blades. That's the different sizes I need. So my screwdrivers and stuff. There's a switch cap to that fan right there. I also had to get all the cobwebs down from up here because there were cobwebs everywhere up here. Still some on this side of this light, but everything is going to turn out well with this National Ceiling Fan Day this year. Last year was my first time doing National Ceiling Fan Day, so what you gotta expect. Here we go. Me and my friends used to compare ceiling fans on National Ceiling Fan Day, so not kidding. But it will start again this year in my bedroom on my bedroom ceiling fan, which is, I can't tell you yet. Can't spoil the type of fans these are yet, even though you guys should know already. The hugger, I got to put that one back up, so we'll do that today. I broke the piano while working around here. Hit this key and it broke off. I put it down here right now, so I will fix this. This is the piano I use in all my videos, so I took the front off so I can be able to fix that key, and this one here needs to be fixed anyway. So still works right now, but it's really hard to play. So I'll fix that. I got the hugger fan up, by the way. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another video in a moment, so thanks for watching.